Join me as I dive deep into the world of SOFI stock and challenge myself to uncover whether it's a scam or a smart investment. Let's find out together. SOFI stock has been making headlines in the financial world, and for good reason. With a market capitalization of over $2.9 billion, it's a stock that's hard to ignore. But as I've been digging deeper, I've started to notice some red flags that have left me wondering, is SOFI stock a scam? One of the biggest concerns surrounding SOFI stock is its market volatility. We've seen it fluctuate wildly, leaving investors wondering if they've made a smart investment or not. On top of that, there are those who claim that SOFI's financial reports just don't add up and that the company is hiding something. And then there are the skeptics who believe that SOFI is simply too good to be true, that it's a stock that's bound to crash and burn sooner or later. Add to that the fact that SOFI has faced several lawsuits in the past, and it's easy to see why some investors are getting cold feet. But are these concerns justified, or are they just the result of misinformation and speculation? As I've dug deeper, I've started to uncover some disturbing trends that have left me questioning SOFI's business model. Another major red flag is SOFI's debt-to-equity ratio, which is alarmingly high. This could be a sign that the company is taking on too much risk, and that investors could be left holding the bag if things go south. And then there's the issue of SOFI's valuation, which some argue is grossly inflated. So is SOFI stock a bubble waiting to burst? But SOFI's supporters would argue that the company is a disruptor in the fintech space, and that its innovative approach to lending and banking is the future. They point to SOFI's impressive revenue growth and its commitment to transparency as signs that the company is on the up and up. So who's right? Is SOFI stock a scam, or is it a smart investment opportunity? As I've been researching SOFI stock, I've come to a conclusion that might surprise you. In my opinion, SOFI stock is not a scam, but it's also not without its risks. The company's business model is innovative, but it's also untested, and there are some serious concerns about its financial health. So what does that mean for investors? In my view, it means that SOFI stock is a high-risk, high-reward investment that's not for the faint of heart. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We've discussed the concerns surrounding SOFI stock, including market volatility, financial issues, and skepticism from investors. We've also delved into the details of SOFI's business model, recent financial reports, and expert opinions. And finally, we've revealed my personal insights and findings that lead me to conclude that SOFI stock is not a scam, but it's also not without its risks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts on SOFI stock in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about investing in the fintech space, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 fintech stocks to watch in 2024.